there. This is Melissa Agazzi with the K-Grant Group. Welcome out here to Litchfield Farms. We are at 3314 North Brindley Avenue, and we are at exactly what you would expect when you think of the West Valley. A huge 1-acre lot. We're in a gated community and a home that is over 4,300 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. And of course, RV parking, RV gates, and a giant pool and spa and a wonderful entertaining area. Let me show you around. Thanks for taking a peek at Brindley Avenue. If you'd like more details or information, please don't hesitate to reach out. And again, I'm Melissa Agazzi with the K-Grant Group.